I bought this years ago. And when the guy sold it to me for $20, I said, but wait, what if it's full of silver dollars? And you should have seen his face. You know, I don't remember what we did right then, but we were unable to open the cash drawer. And we are going to take a peek in there. So this is some of the machinery. It's all seized up. I'm wondering what's in there. Let's see. Yeah, it's turning. I didn't expect that to work. It would answer faster than I thought it would. Yeah, I'm pretty good. Well, you might be able to see if there's any money in there, Kitty. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Oh, nice. Okay. Not too shabby. I think, yeah. I think our suspicions are pretty well founded. I think we'll be able to shine a light in there. Alright, so my hair is all messed up because I heated it up and shook it. I should have shown you. I'll get a video clip of me doing that. But, hey, yeah, so nothing fell to the front. And I'm going to look again through the little holes. But this piece of paper was under the ceramic stuff, so let's see what it is. This should be a Goonies treasure map. Yeah. I don't think there's enough secrets hidden in this cash register. There's nothing on there. Right, so the last clip was just on my backside. That doesn't work. So you can hear the glass rattling. There does not seem to be any coins there. Alright, my hair's extra messed up. I'm like from the 80s or something now, but... So this is, so I'm obviously going to list this $1,000. See, it's probably got silver coins in it. Height of silver prices. As of like today, I'm sure. I won't even keep up with that stuff, but it's all over the news. Check out more of the cash register, though. It's really awesome that you hung out here with me. So I did shine the flashlight into the holes, and I could just see the wood grain of the bottom of the drawer. And so there's going to be like some old money like taped up in there or something ridiculous like that, but inflation has probably wiped that all out. So thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe if you'd like to, and I'll catch you later.